Hello, friends. Today we're going to be reading Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. I love all the different trees. Which one is your favorite? Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose, this big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow, this tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig, this fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat, this short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Wow, beautiful. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. The end. And until next time, have fun.